Hi, welcome to video on importing Python libraries and data into Colabs. Data preprocessing is a very crucial step in machine learning. In data preprocessing comes two things, that is importing the libraries and importing the data. We are concentrating on importing the libraries now, where we are going to import NumPy as NP, Matplotlib as PLT, Pandas as PD. NumPy is mainly concentrating on arrays and math operations, Matplotlib on charts, Pandas on data, importing data and extracting the data frame, data series, like that. So in this particular video we are going to concentrate on Pandas library, which will be used in importing the data, and the next step. Here DS is the data set which is going to get the data from data.csv. Data.csv is a file which is there in the local machine. First I need to upload that into the server. How I am going to do that? Here it is. Go to files, in that upload. In upload, select the file which is in your focus and open that one. So once that is opened, that will be uploaded into the environment, and this will be existing in this particular environment till this particular session is going to time out. So data CSV is here. We are going to import that using a panda function, that is read_csv, which will be loaded into dataset. So later we can extract data frames from DS. So here it is shown how we are going to do that. X is equal to ds.ilog. ilog is a function which is going to return two things. One is panda series, the other one is panda data frame. It is going to return panda series or panda data frame. First is, so this colon is going to say the range. We can give like this 1 and comma 2. So row number 1, column number 2. So that is going to get saved into X. So but we are not interested in that right now. We want an entire range, so all the rows from 0th index till the last one, and column, all the columns except the last column, that is from 0th index till the last but one. So -1, what it is focusing right now is on the last index of the columns, but in this particular range it will state don't take the last one but take the last but one index. So coming to Y, here it is extracting the last column. See, you can clearly see that here. Entire row, see, range from 0 to last one, and last column indicated by -1. Now we are going to run this one using shift enter. So this got executed. So all the libraries which we need are in this one right now. Now I'm going to execute this. So this got executed without any errors. Now I'm going to print X and Y. I'll use one more code block. I need to run both these things. See, it's clearly visible now. Data is being imported from the local system data.csv into the data set. From data set, interested data is extracted and loaded into X and Y. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos.